Today I'm in Geneva, Illinois at the community of Sunset Prairie by Kind Corp. Behind me is a gorgeous new custom ranch they just completed. It's their model here, beautifully appointed. I took a peek already, so you're gonna wanna see this one. Now this custom ranch is called the Aubrey plan, and it has just over 2,400 square feet. There's 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a flex room, a nice open concept, and as you're about to see, a lot of beautiful modern farmhouse appointments. Now let's start off with the foyer. A lot of space here. You have the large entry doors giving lots of natural light in here. Now this home has high ceilings all throughout, but if you look in the foyer here, they've taken that up, I'm gonna say maybe 15 feet, really tall ceilings, put a beautiful accent piece up there with the wood paneling, and again, helps with this nice open feel you have. And just off the foyer at the front of the home, you have a flex space. This is a perfect area for a home office. The builder installed some nice looking built-ins, and then they finished off the perimeter of the room with some beautiful wainscoting. Now here we go. Here's the opening of this nice great room. You can see here, plenty of space, a lot of beautiful finishes in that modern farmhouse theme. Right away, you probably noticed the wood beams they have here in the great room. Very high ceilings, but where the beams are, they popped up nearly another foot just to install those beams. On the main feature wall in the great room, they have some open shelving flanking both sides of the fireplace. And the builder carries that modern farmhouse look with the shiplap on the fireplace. And then a wood mantle that matches both the beams and the flooring you'll see all throughout the home. Beautiful charcoal colored tiles as a surround on the fireplace, tying in those black accents you'll see all throughout the home on the hardware and plumbing fixtures. And then we have this gourmet kitchen. Huge island for entertaining and food prep. And again, another beautiful ceiling treatment right above the island in this case. Nice wood detail with some LED lighting accenting. The island is done in a contrasting dark stain, and then you have the white cabinets on the perimeter. And here we have the owner's suite. They did a beautiful job on the accent wall. You have some recessed wood paneling, and again, the darker color that carries through that look that you see all throughout the home. Lots of space in this owner's bath. Just off to the left, large freestanding tub. Then you have some high windows just above that, giving you not only a lot of natural light, but privacy because of the height of the windows. Large walk-in shower with seat, niche, some beautiful ceramic tiles, and then you have the black matte finish on the plumbing fixtures, and they even have a nice handheld here for you. And then you have the rolling barn door hardware done in a black matte finish as well. The builder put in some lovely backlit mirrors. You can see down in the corner of the mirror, they have little settings for the different lighting. then over here we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. And the builder even put a barn door here to kind of close off the space for the bedrooms to separate it from the rest of the main living area. Now this is the builder's sales model, so the finished basement I'm about to show you is really their offices, but has some nice features down there. This home, again, is the Aubrey plan. It's a ranch plan by Kime Corp, and it's located in Sunset Prairie in Geneva, Illinois. I'll put a link below so you can check it all out. Thanks for watching. See you next tour.